This is one of the question from compiler design subject shift 2 for 2 marks based on our LL1 parsing table. So, this is a easy question, similar question asked in the previous GATE paper as well. So, what is this question is, he has given a grammar here, there is a grammar and he constructed LL1 parsing table. Constructed LL1 parsing table. In that there are some missing entries. So, one in this position there should be some production that is missed. In the place of second number 2, here also one production is missing in 3. So, the following is a partially filled LL1 parsing table. In the whatever the numbers are given in these cells, there should be some productions. What are those productions? What are the productions of this grammar will be filled in this, that is what required. So, we want to know what is our position of 1, 2, 3, 4. So, this is what our aim. The way of placing productions is based on first follow values. How we will construct LL1 parsing table based on first and follow. You directly construct first and follow and construct a table we will get. Directly in the short way how to do. So, if you want to place this production, first take the first part of this, first set calculation of this one. So, right side first, that is first of A. What is the first of A generally? C epsilon. C epsilon. C epsilon. Right. So, in the position of C, this production we need to place. So, here we will get S gives AB. Whenever epsilon is there, that we need to replace, again we need to calculate first. Then what we will get now? Whenever you do replacement, we will get here. So, in the position of A also, we need to place this production. So, the first production, first production will go in 2 places, columns wise. In column number A it will go column A as well as column C. In both columns first production will be placed. So, here our 1 is nothing but first production. Similarly, if you want to know where to place the second production, same thing, calculate the first of this, that is first of B, D epsilon. So, in the place of D, this production we have to write. So, S gives BA, that is our rule number 2, right. Then whenever epsilon is there, we need to replace, once again we have to calculate. If you replace, then we will get B. So, in the position of B also we need to write this production, that is already given. So, our 1 value is this and 2, whatever is blank cell is there, that is 2 is nothing but this production. Similarly, 3 is nothing but A productions. A is having 2 productions, C, S as well as epsilon. So, the first of this part is C. So, in the position of C, this production already there, epsilon. Let me write A to epsilon production. A to epsilon production is completely based on fall of A. What is the fall of A? We need to calculate fall of A. From the grammar, what is the fall of A? After A, small b. So, this A to epsilon production we have to place in the columns of A, columns of B. So, columns of A in the table, column A already contains this production. So, column B we have to give this production. Similarly, you can place B productions. B gives epsilon also based on fall of B. Like this, if you match from the given options, what is the first option? The first one is nothing but this production, second one is this production, third rule is A gives A. So, whenever in one this is false, clearly eliminate from this. C is also false. And from these remaining options B and D, here it is blank is given, but in the place of if you observe the table, rule 3, the position of B, we have clearly one production. So the answer for this will be clearly D. So the right answer for this question is